Hey there, here is Digits Lesson 4-2, Part 4. Again, not too long, only 3 different screens. I'm showing you this today because you will see some things like this in the homework that is assigned today, the online homework. We're going to look at these 3 screens. It says a landscape architect is designing a greenway. The design calls for 620 trees on every acre of the greenway. Complete the table, then graph the relationship between acres and number of trees. Again, you can't type into these spots here, and you can't plot the points on here. What we're going to do is look at what pattern do we see, and how would that line up with the graph here. So we can see the acres are going up by 5. So no acres, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the number of acres, which lines up here with acres, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now the number of trees, I go 0, I have a line. 4,000, I have a line. 8,000, I have a line. 12,000, I have a line. So the question is, what is it going up by here? Just like here, it's going up every time I jump. It's going up by 5, 10, 15. It looks like here I'm going up every 2 lines is 4,000. So it will be like 0, 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, 16,000. So I'd have to think where these points here would be here. And I want to see the pattern. So 0 with a number of trees. For 0 trees, I go up 3,100. Then I go up 6,200. So it looks like I'm going up 3,100 each time. So I would have to keep adding 3,100 each time. And then I would plot the points that go there. So 0.00, that's easy enough. That's right there. 0.5, 3,100. So over 5, up 3,100. Over 5, up 3,100. So if this is 4,000 and this is 2,000, 3,100 would be about here. And then over 10, up 6,200. So again, if this is 4,000 and this is 6,000, 6,200 would be about here. So see if you can work out where you think, what numbers you think would be here and where the points would be. And then if you click solution, it'll show you if you're right. And that one's kind of tough. So give that a shot. The next screen isn't as tough. This isn't as tough. It says a kapok tree is a very tall rainforest tree. Assume that a kapok tree grows 12 feet each year. Complete the table and use the points to graph the growth of the kapok tree. So you have the year. So no years, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 years. So 0 through 5. The height, it looks like it's going up by 12 each year. So those numbers are a little bit easier than the last screen. So 0 up 12. Then another 12 is 24. Another 12 would be 36. Another 12 would be 48. And another 12 would be 60. Okay, so, and I gave all the answers away, didn't I? But that's okay. So then you would have to think of where the points would be. 0, 0. Well, that's easy. That's right in the corner there. 0, 0. 0.1, 12. Well, where would that be? Well, there's 1. Well, where would 12 be? So what I want to do is figure out each time it goes up, here it's going up by how much. This is kind of easy to going side to side because I'm going 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. But here, 0, 30, 60, So what are those hmms? So I think it's going up by 15. Let's see if that makes sense. 0, 15. What's 15 plus 15? 30. Ooh. What's 30 plus 15? 45. What's 45 plus 15? 60. What's 60 plus 15? 75. What's 75 plus 15? 90. So there I go. And then I would want to think where the points would be. So 0, 0, again, is right there. 0.1, 12. So over 1, up 12. So again, if this is 15, it would put 12 right about there. Then 0.2, 24. Over 2, up 24. So again, if this is 15 and this is 30, we'll put my 24 about there. So see if you can figure out where those points would go for the kapok tree. And then here, I like this one. Use the graph to predict how tall a Kapok tree will be in year 8. So in year 8, how tall will it be? Well, at year 0, it's 0, 0. At year 1, well, it's about here. It was about 12. Year 2, about 24. So see if you can figure out what that 8 will be. So your goal is to go back through part 4, like I just showed you, and then do the homework that is assigned to you today. Any questions, let me know. But hopefully this helps, and I'll talk to you guys.